Your child is at least 2 years old and can now ride in a forward-facing car seat with a 5-point harness until at least 40 pounds and 4 years of age. Because your car was built after 2002, you can install the seat using the LATCH system. If possible, install the car seat in the center of the back seat, the safest point in case of crashes. You'll attach the seat with the 2 belted hooks to anchor bars located below the seat back. Check that the anchor belts are securely attached to the anchor points and pull the tightening strap. The LATCH system also has a top tether to provide added stability. The tether holds the top of the car seat tightly so the child's head won't move too far forward during a crash. Make sure the car seat doesn't move more than an inch from side to side. To learn how best to restrain your child in a forward-facing car seat, go to www.buckleupforlife.org.